Looking for a superfood that can boost your health and energy levels? Look no further than spirulina. In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of incorporating this powerhouse ingredient into your daily diet. So without any delay, let's begin. Number 1. It can help boost your stamina. Spirulina is considered among the best plant-based protein sources. Just 1 tablespoon of this amazing supplement packs around 4 grams of protein, along with several vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, especially phycocyanin and carotenoids. In fact, experts have observed that spirulina can be an effective ergogenic aid, which means that it can potentially boost stamina and endurance in athletes. According to studies, spirulina supplementation is associated with improved exercise performance and reduced oxidative stress in athletes. More amazingly, another study showed that older adults who took spirulina supplements for about 8 weeks experienced significant improvements in muscle strength and power, compared to those who didn't. Therefore, if you want to boost your stamina and gain more muscle mass, adding spirulina supplements to your diet seems like a really good idea. Before we proceed, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming a patron. Number 2. Spirulina can be effective against certain allergies. Allergic rhinitis, also known as hay fever, is a common condition that can occur due to the inflammation of the nasal passages in response to exposure to certain allergens, such as pollen, dust, pollution, or animal fur. Its symptoms include wheezing, sneezing, itching in the nose, throat, and eyes, difficulty breathing, and sometimes headaches and fever. As delightful news, spirulina has been found to be an excellent antihistamine, meaning that it can potentially prevent allergic reactions. And surprisingly, it has been shown to be even more effective than cetirizine, the usual antihistamine for many types of allergies. More research is needed, though, to confirm these results. But if you are suffering from an allergy due to pollen, dust, or other allergens, you can discuss the possibility of using this amazing supplement with your health specialist. Number 3. It can be really good for heart health. Spirulina supplements can benefit heart health in several ways. First, it has been shown to increase the levels of nitric oxide in the blood, which acts as a signaling molecule for the blood vessels, helping them to dilate and relax. This can smoothen the blood flow in the blood vessels and helps in maintaining blood pressure. Some studies show that its regular consumption can reduce systolic and diastolic blood pressure levels by up to 4.5 units and 7 units, respectively. More amazingly, during a study involving people with high cholesterol levels, it was observed that those who took 1 gram of spirulina daily had up to 10% lower LDL cholesterol levels and almost 16% lower total cholesterol levels. Another important thing is that oxidation of LDL cholesterol tends to increase inflammation in the arteries and trigger the formation of plaque, leading to a higher risk of heart disease and strokes. Surprisingly, the antioxidant compounds in spirulina also help prevent the harmful oxidation of bad cholesterol in the body. This, in turn, can keep the blood vessels healthy and can reduce the risk of developing high blood pressure or hypertension, heart strokes, or brain strokes. Number 4. Spirulina supports better blood sugar management. Thanks to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, spirulina can help to protect against oxidative damage to cells and tissues, including the cells in the pancreas that produce insulin. Insulin resistance, a condition in which cells become less responsive to insulin, is a major contributor to high blood sugar levels and the development of type 2 diabetes. However, during a human study, experts observed that people who took 2 grams of spirulina every day for about 12 weeks had significant improvement in their insulin sensitivity and more regulated blood sugar levels. Additionally, spirulina has also been shown to have hypoglycemic effects, which means it can help to lower blood sugar levels. Experts say that this could be due to the presence of phycocyanin, the pigment that gives spirulina its characteristic greenish color and has powerful antioxidant and anti-diabetic properties. So we can say that consuming spirulina supplements daily can help you achieve better blood sugar management and eventually a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Number 5. It can help you lose weight. Studies have found that spirulina supplementation can also help improve fat metabolism, which means that our body may get more efficient in burning and metabolizing extravisceral fat. For example, a study of obese women found that taking 2 grams of spirulina per day for 12 weeks led to a significant decrease in extravisceral fat and waist circumference. Experts say that this could be due to the anti-inflammatory properties of spirulina, which help protect the liver from oxidative stress and can improve overall liver function, which makes it better and more efficient in lipid metabolism. Plus, regular consumption of spirulina has also been linked with enhanced levels of enzymes that help metabolize fats in our body, such as lipase. So if you are looking for the best ways to lose weight, spirulina should be a must-have in your diet. Number 6. Spirulina may have anti-cancer properties. Spirulina's phycocyanin content has been shown to inhibit the growth of tumor cells and minimize cell damage due to oxidative stress or free radical damage. It's so amazing that it can induce apoptosis or programmed cell death in tumor cells during some experiments. More amazingly, regular supplementation of just 1 gram of spirulina has also been shown to manage the symptoms of oral submucous fibrosis, a type of precancerous activity in the mouth. Number 7. It can help boost your immune system. Just 1 tablespoon of spirulina is packed with a lot of vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin A, several B vitamins, vitamin C, vitamin E, calcium, iron, and magnesium. All of these vitamins and minerals are considered quite essential for the overall health of our body, including our immune system. Eventually, you are less likely to get infected by many pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Spirulina's anti-inflammatory properties can further enhance the strength of our immune system, because inflammation or oxidative stress due to free radicals can also potentially weaken our body's defense mechanism. As a bonus, spirulina itself also has antimicrobial properties, due to which it can kill or inhibit the growth of many types of bacteria, such as E. coli, the usual culprit behind many infections and diseases, like diarrhea, urinary tract infections, and pneumonia. Number 8. Spirulina can be effective against iron deficiency anemia. Spirulina contains an exceptional amount of iron, roughly 4 milligrams per tablespoon, making up for almost 44% daily need for men and about 50% daily need for women. Iron is one of the key components of hemoglobin, the key ingredient of our red blood cells. So regular consumption of spirulina supplements can ensure that your body gets enough iron, which can not only reduce the risk of developing iron deficiency anemia, but can also help prevent several symptoms associated with anemia, such as paleness of the skin, fatigue, dizziness, coldness or numbness in hands and feet, shortness of breath, and several others. How to include spirulina in your daily diet? To include this valuable superfood in your daily diet, you can take spirulina powder and add it to your smoothies, salads, soups, or whatever you like. Spirulina capsules and supplements are also widely available in the market, so you can also consider taking them. But do remember that the World Health Organization recommends 2 to 3 grams of spirulina per day as the safe dosage limit for most adults. Moreover, some people have also reported having allergies, headaches, trouble sleeping, muscle pain, throat swelling, and several others after consuming spirulina. Eventually, it's best to have a correct dose that's suitable to your needs, with the help of your doctor or health specialist. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.